Good afternoon, people. Welcome back to the channel, 7890. We're just in deepest, darkest England, shire somewhere. I've kind of come across country to ride one lane, and I kind of getting a wee bit lost. So I think I've got to find out where I'm going. I've ridden diagonally across the country to the North Yorkshire moors, and I've literally just pulled in there beside an ice cream van that was shut, thinking I'd get a nice ice cream because it's about 29 degrees. It is absolutely gorgeous down here. But there's a lot of people about walking and stuff, and there is a lane back there that I was going to just fire up. It's across a wee ford and then up a hill, but there were so many people about, I just didn't want to, how can you say, scatter them. So I've decided just to bypass it and go onto one of the more remote lanes, just so that I'm being a good motorcyclist or whatever you call it. Anyway, so the plan today is really we are out exploring in the kind of North Yorkshire moors. Pick up a couple of lanes that I've been wanting to do, and then I'm heading across towards the west of the country. So I think those are the moors up there, which I'm trying to get up on top of, which shouldn't be a problem because I'm just following the GPX that I've been given. I should have said downloaded. Road closed, no through route. Oh, for God's sake. Where am I supposed to go here now? So the diversion's basically taking me the way I'm supposed to be going.
A few moments later.
I was following some of the ACT stuff, and I kind of got road closures and stuff, and I just got to the stage where I thought, I'm hot and bothered, it's 28 degrees C, and I just wanted to get the Foxtrot out of there. So I've got 2 days in Wales, and then head across to ABR on the Thursday morning. So that should be good fun. Squirrel. Yeah, so I'm fully loaded. I don't know if you can see me, but I'll maybe throw a picture up here. So I've got the kitchen sink and everything with me today. Mistakes I learned, or not mistakes, but lessons I learned from last year at ABR was, especially with the hot weather, bring a tarp. But as always, I've packed too much because I'm away from home for 2 weeks, and I've actually got a wee sneaky trick as well. One of my friends is bringing a van down, so I've thrown a bag in the back of his, so that I can decamp maybe some stuff, swap some stuff in and out, some fresh clothes, that kind of thing. I thought ahead. I thought that'd be a good idea. But yeah, this is an improving picture now. Things I'm looking forward to at ABR. Big highlight for me would be the likes of Ken Roxton visiting. He's obviously Supercross champ this year. Great story behind his championship, and just the fact resilience that boy has, and he managed to smash through on a bike that hasn't been redesigned for umpteen years. Still got a kickstart, hence the nickname Kickstart Kenny. So fingers crossed, get to see a bit of him this weekend. Maybe get a picture or whatever, be a fanboy. But otherwise, the bike, touch wood, is going well. It's a fresh set of tyres on her for this weekend, or this 2-week trip. There'll probably be a big fucking flat spot on them now, excuse my language. So I've gone with just the Enduro Trails Pluses, or whatever they're called, just because there's going to be more, you can tell, see, there's more tarmac than dirt these days. And it's so warm, they've just got the motocross top on it. This is a new one. I thought I'd get an orange one to match the bike, but this was a £27 job at the sale. Nope. Okay, I'll sneak in around here, thank you. Nothing quite like riding a fully loaded bike up a bumpy lane, I'll tell you that. Lots of compressions. I'm just going to stop here a wee second. Boop. Right, let's see where we are. Right, that'll be second gear start. First gear. Right, well that was a wee tester lane just to see how this thing handles with a full load. Just bagging all of it up there. So it's good fun. A class spot. Tempted. What a class road. Sorry to do it windy, but view's pretty good. And it's trying to rain, believe it or not. think I'm going to call this video Lost in the Dales. Best laid plans and all that. What do they say? Plan never survives the first day of war. Watch yourself, sheepy. Don't know if you're getting this on the camera, but we're up pretty high here now. Off the highway. Is that 1900 feet? That's pretty high in this country. That's damn high in this country for a road. Just drop off the edge here like most Yorkshire roads. The sun's trying to get out, trying to burn through, but this bad weather's pushing in, trying its best to spoil the fun. Here we go, as I said, well, there's an up, there's a down. That's the top of Cam High Road. Whoop, big drop there. Hee hee. That's a lane I did a few years ago. Pops out there. In fact, we just started it. We just did the start of it before I headed up the road to try and pick up this road. For some reason, I don't know why I didn't just continue straight on. But hey ho. My favourite, roads and trees. Caution, livestock on the road. Woohoo, look at that up ahead. Oh, come on. Fuck's sake. Ah, dear. Right. Good enough for this wee road, I think. Goody, diggity. Where are we going here? Right, see you in a wee while. Boop.